Hi, so today Ableton have announced a new version of Ableton Live. I had no idea that we're going to drop Ableton Live 12. So just to start with, they've done quite a lot here in terms of changing the MIDI clip. There's new features in there like pitch and time, transform, generate, and within generate, you've got all of these different functions and it just looks super powerful. You can see here all of the velocities being changed and you can see all the different types of steps, patterns, density, step duration. This is a real game changer when it comes to changing MIDI, and you can see here how you can just change and write the pitch in that little box there, so it looks super cool. You can also automatically generate different MIDI and you've got all the different probability types. You've still got fold, scale, highlight scale, so you've got quite a lot of super functions. You also have these amazing tuning functions. As you can see here, you've got samples, grooves, and tunings. Tunings, this new thing, looks like it allows different tunings of samples or of MIDI, which looks super cool. As you can see here, a lot more has been done within the clip in terms of MIDI by adding intervals, tuning, different grids, different types of humanization, things that you just didn't have before, things you would find in systems like Scalar, and that just looks super useful. You can now edit MIDI more easily, so you can cut and chop pieces and put them together or split them apart. You can fill a selected time range, you can access more tools from the Note Utilities panel on the left, so very useful. And also you've got more modulation options within the LFO shaper and envelope follower, which look like you've got more control over the routing and the destination of the signal. It looks like they've got this amazing looking new soft sync called Meld. So it's an MPE capable synthesizer. It has twin oscillators, an extensive modulation matrix. There's a new distortion/saturation audio effect called Raw, which looks excellent. A new version of the granular synthesis called Granulator Free. The look and feel of the arrangement view looks very different now. You've got more customization possibilities, more different types of views, different ways for the data to flow. Also, you can make the mixer fit in with the arrangement view, so you can very clearly see what you're mixing. Indeed, in session view, you can see that things have just shifted around, so it looks more ergonomic, a lot easier to understand. So for example, you can see the clip on the left-hand side, and you can actually see the automation on the right-hand side, and below you can see the synthesis engines. The searching's got super powerful as well. As you can see here, you can filter by tags and sounds. As well as that, you've got another function to search similarity. So if you've got a sample here, you can see there's a Kick 909, and you want to find another sample that sounds similar to that, you can do that search. So how much is this going to cost? Well, basically, if you pre-order Live 12 Suite now, you will get a 20% discount. An upgrade costs 143 British pounds. I think that's worth it. Now, if you want to see all this information, go to my bio and take a look at the link to ableton.com, where you can search for it yourself. There's a stack of information available. So this is really exciting, guys.